General trend. IREN has been on a meteoric rise, showcasing a strong bullish trend over the last 3 months. Starting at $6.54 on April 25th, it dipped to a low of $6.11 on April 30th before soaring to a high of $21.54 on July 21st, closing at $18.41 on July 24th. Trading well above its 200-day EMA, $12.77, IREN confirms a robust long-term uptrend. The July surge, with a 201% gain from the April 30th low, reflects aggressive bullish momentum, likely fueled by Bitcoin's rally and optimism in the crypto mining sector. Price-volume relationship. Volume spikes correlate with significant price movements. The July 21st peak at $21.54 saw a massive 70.40 million shares, far above the average volume of $22.5 million. The July 2nd breakout to $15.66 had 33.73 million shares, and the June 24th close at $11.54 saw 31.95 million shares, indicating strong buying pressure. The July 24th close at $18.41 with 14.10 million shares, below average, suggests consolidation after the rally. High volume days, e.g., 50.89 million on July 7th, confirm accumulation. Moving averages. Here's the moving average breakdown. Short term, the 5-day SMA, $18.42, and EMA, $18.37, are near the July 24th close, $18.41, indicating short-term stability. The 10-day SMA, $17.78, and EMA, $17.82, support this. Medium term, the 20-day SMA, $16.75, and EMA, $16.46, are below the price, acting as support. The 21-day SMA, $16.52, and EMA, $16.32, align closely. Long term, the 50-day SMA, $13.75, and EMA, $13.79, are well below, reinforcing bullishness. The 200-day SMA, $12.36, and EMA, $12.77, confirm a strong long-term uptrend. Technical indicators. Let's unpack the indicators. Trend indicators. MACD, at 1.89, signal 1.94, histogram -0.05, it's bullish, but the negative histogram suggests potential consolidation. ADX14, at 57.90, it indicates a very strong trend, supporting the uptrend. AREN up, 88.0, versus AREN down, 0.0, gives an oscillator of 71.43, strongly favoring bulls. PSAR, at $17.32, below the price, it confirms bullish momentum. Momentum indicators. RSI 14, at 74.09, it's nearing overbought but not extreme, with room for upside. Stochastic, stock K15, 62.81, and D15, 74.00, are moderating, while stock K5, 36.33, and D5, 40.32, suggest short-term cooling. Williams percent R14, at -49.21, it's neutral, indicating no immediate overbought or oversold conditions. MFI 14, at 65.36, it shows solid buying pressure. Momentum 10, at 1.38, it reflects short-term bullishness. ROC 14, at 9.45, it confirms moderate upward momentum. Volume indicators. OBV, at 735.64 million, it's rising, indicating accumulation. Chaikin oscillator, at -11.05 million, it shows a dip in buying pressure, suggesting caution. Volatility indicators. ATR 14, at 1.41, it reflects high volatility, down from 1.46 on July 22nd. Bollinger Bands, upper, $19.80, middle, $16.75, lower, $13.71. The price is near the upper band, signaling strength. Linear regression. The 14-day TSF, $18.80, is slightly above the July 24th close, $18.41, suggesting IREN is slightly below its short-term trend line. The CORZ 20 at 1.00 shows strong trend consistency, reinforcing the bullish bias. Estimated opening price for next trading day. With a July 24th close of $18.41 and an average opening price over the last 5 days around $18.39, the ATR of 1.41 suggests a July 25th opening between $17 and $19.82, likely near $18.40, assuming no major crypto news. The low volume, 14.10 million, on July 24th points to a stable open unless catalysts emerge. Support and resistance levels. Support, $16.46, 20-day EMA, $13.79, 50-day EMA, and $13.71, Bollinger Lower, are key floors. The $12.77, 200-day EMA, is a strong long-term support. Resistance, $18.99, July 23rd close, $21.54, July 21st high, and $19.80, Bollinger Upper, are hurdles. Breaking $21.54 could target $22.50. Potential high and low levels, ATR based. Using the 14-day ATR of 1.41. High, $18.41 plus 1.41 equals $19.82. Low, $18.41. 1.41 equals $17 given the July 21st range of 3.45. A broader range of $16.50 to $21 is possible if volatility spikes, especially with crypto sensitivity. Possible scenarios. Bullish scenario. If IREN breaks above $19.80 with volume above 22.5 million, it could retest $21.54 or target $22.50. The RSI, 74.09, and AREN, 71.43, support this potential. Neutral scenario, consolidation between $17 and $19.82, ATR range, with ADX, 57.90, indicating a stable trend. Bearish scenario, a drop below $16.46, 20-day EMA, could test $13.79, 50-day EMA, especially if OBV, 735.64 million, reverses or MFI, 65.36, weakens. Conclusion. IREN's riding the crypto wave, closing at $18.41 on July 24th with low volume, 14.10 million, well above its 200-day EMA, $12.77. The MACD, minus 0.05 histogram, and ADX, 57.90, confirm a strong uptrend, backed by AREN, 71.43, and MFI, 65.36. Volatility, ATR 1.41, reflects crypto-driven swings, with the April 30th low, $6.11, showing risk. Watch $16.46 support and $19.80 resistance. Traders, play the $17 to $19.82 range, and stay alert for Bitcoin news or earnings catalysts. Let's mine those gains.